Good evening, and I welcome you all to another discussion of mine, wherein now we would be, combining those bits and pieces which I was discussing in my earlier two videos. So here you can see that in seventh diagram that we have got knowledge on one hand. Okay, and on the other hand, I'm showing these lines, which you can see just below the word correspondence, and I have said that these are all the relations also side by side, relations of all substances which you can see existing. I have just written it out in common as substances, otherwise you can just pick up with just one subject and or a substance, and then we can proceed further. Now from here till here we have understood, okay, there are somehow we have got that knowledge, then there is this correspondence taking place, then there is this relationship between the substance and the individual that we are talking about. Now in reference to this particular substance, again he is talking about special properties and general properties. Now generality we have seen that comes with the help of the universals. However, what about the special properties that he is talking about? So he says that knowledge takes place with the help of the perception. Number one, he is not going to touch inference, analogy or the verbal knowledge at this level. He is just focusing on perception. If this is the perception, then with this particular topic he distinguishes two things. Then that is what? Individual, which is specific knowledge, perception we have got. Then he says that for that individual, general properties are coming in with respect to the thing. So I hope you have understood the difference between the two. He says perception is taking place in the individual itself. However, in one way it is going to be specific to that person, and in the same person also the universals are existing. Now for example, the way I look at a mango which is lying on the table in front of me, okay, the way I look at its shape, the color, maybe I can say it is more of a turmeric yellow, wherein my sister, she might jump in and she might say, oh no, this is not turmeric yellow, this is more of a chrome yellow. So you see the differences are coming in. The generality is that what? The mango, the fruit that we have got. However, the specificities that we are talking about is the differences in the colors. I am looking at it from the perspective of the turmeric yellow color. However, my sister perceives it as a chrome, that is the dirty yellow kind of a color that she is attaching towards that fruit. Now similarly, when we take up, now that is the way I am using the sensory, that is the eye, the way the eyes are looking at it. Now similarly, most of the time I see that people who purchase the mangoes, they smell at it, and then they say that, okay, if this is the smell, then this is it. Though I cannot do that. Now I don't know, I love to munch mangoes just like that, but by smelling, if you ask me to purchase, that will be very different. I like to purchase the mangoes with colors. So again, you can see the specificities are coming in. However, the general properties will be very different. They say that okay, this mango, if it is of this texture, that means that it is a sweet mango kind of a thing and everything. So he says that at this time there is this soul plus that activity which is self-produced. Nobody is going to come in and say, okay, do this to us. We do it on our own, and that is the mysterious part of it, as to how we are doing it automatically or self-production, how it is taking place, nobody knows. That slight shift is there which one has to understand it over here. So now we have reached to that level where the knowledge he is talking about through perception, and there are special properties of the substance along with the general property. Same goes with the individual also. There are certain specific qualities with which we are perceiving that particular substance or the object in the world, and it goes with the general properties also side by side. And there is this unique activity which takes place within ourselves, which helps us to take care of this particular knowledge. So I am going to stop here, and let me come to the next one, where we will focus on more intricacy about understanding as to how and what exactly is taking place with this particular knowledge. Till then, thanks and take care, students. Bye.